In this video, we'll take a look at the difference between a male and female Labradoodle. Labradoodles are a mix of a Labrador Retriever mixed with a poodle, and they are a great family pet. But what's best for you, a male or female? We'll look at temperament, size, trainability, and overall differences so that you and your family can make the best decision on your next pet. We'll start with temperament. Both the male and female are loyal, gentle, kind, and intelligent. But there's a few differences. The males are usually more playful and goofier. They're more attention-seeking and more social with people and other pets. Some male Labradoodles may have a higher drive to please their owners. Males tend to be more protective of the family or their territory. Males in general are more easygoing and like to just go with the flow than the female. As for the female, they're also easygoing and gentle like their male counterparts. But females may be more subtle in their displays of love and affection. However, they do show some dominance when it comes to other females. In general, female Labradoodles may have more of a tendency to be a little bit more stubborn and like to do things their own way. They have a little bit more independence than the male, but they still love to be around their family. But in general, they can be a little bit harder to work with, and we'll get to that in training in just a second. Next, we'll take a look at the size of your Labradoodle. Size doesn't depend as much on gender as it does the size of the poodle that's bred to make the Labradoodle. If you have a standard poodle mix, then your dog can be anywhere from 21 to 24 inches tall, weighing up to 65 pounds. If you have a medium Labradoodle, you can expect them to weigh 26 to 43 pounds. And if you have a miniature, they'll weigh anywhere from 18 to 28. So again, unlike other breeds, the male or the female differences don't matter as much, but what really matters is what is bred to make your Labradoodle. Next, we'll look at trainability. Trainability is really important when choosing a dog because typically you want a dog that's easy to train. As for the male Labradoodles, these guys are easy because they want to please their owner and they're easygoing. So you don't have to do a lot with them other than be consistent and have good energy. It's up to you to be calm and assertive to make sure that your Labradoodle knows who's boss and knows who the leader is. You don't want your Labradoodle to be the leader, but you need to be the leader. Same for the female. Females can be a little bit harder to train because they can be a little bit more stubborn and they want to do things their own way. So again, it's up to you as the owner to be strong and firm with them with trainability. And it's less about the gender and more about you, the owner, and making sure that you're consistent and stay with them on training. And both of these dogs are gentle, loving, and fun and will train just fine. Lifespan. Lifespan of your Labradoodle depends less on male or female, but it depends on their environment, what you're feeding them, and how much exercise you give them. If you give this dog an hour a day of exercise, get them outside having fun, this will go a long way in their lifespan. This dog typically lives 10 to 15 years. If you give them good food, that goes even further. We recommend not giving them kibble day after day, but mixing in fresh food, raw meat, things that these dogs crave and they're designed for. If you can do this, be around them, be active, socialize them, then the Labradoodle will live up to 15 years pretty easily. Next, we'll take a look at overall differences. While there may be subtle differences in your male and female Labradoodle, overall, these two sexes share the intelligence, gentleness, and friendliness that Labradoodles are known for. If you want a playful, goofy companion that acts like a guard dog, you may prefer a male. If you like the value of a more subtle personality, the female might be the right choice for you. No matter what you choose, you're sure to have a wonderful experience with this popular family dog breed. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see all of you on the next one.